Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, November 30th. Christmas is upon us. Back there is our tree. The kids decorated it. It was not me. So yeah, I have been missing vlogging, so I thought I would do a little today, which should be pretty fun. Just about to have breakfast, and I'm going to have 12 of these. These are good. You can get them at the Dollar Tree for $1. They have a good taste. And they're by Jimmy Dean. Heat and serve. And I'm going to have 3 eggs and my coffee. I'm just going to cook these in the microwave. My pans are getting really bad, so they stick, so I'd rather make it in this bowl. I'm going to add just a little bit of butter, to coat the bowl as they cook. Be right back. Just about that much. Real butter. This makes the fluffiest eggs, trust me. I have a different method now of doing my coffee. I used to have, my coffee maker and have it brewed, but now I love Folgers Instant. So what I do is I take 1.5 teaspoons, and I'm very, I round it out. I don't use, flattened out. I like my coffee strong, and then I add just a little bit more. And then I put 2 packets of this sweetener. I use this Italian sweet cream, sugar-free. It's amazing. You guys need to get some. Just waiting for my kettle to boil, which takes just a short time because I got one of the electric ones. I got tired of boiling my water on the stove. And can you imagine how much electricity that takes? So yeah, just waiting on my water. It's coming up. It's almost done. Here are those eggs. They're nice and fluffy, and they just turn right out of the bowl. Love these. Look at that. Alright, make my sausages. I'm going to give my boy a few sausages and I'm taking the rest. So, here is my breakfast. Looks really good, huh? Let's take a bite of the egg. Look at that. Those sausages are well worth $1. Try them from the Dollar Tree. So I'm on snow watch today, and I've been watching all day for snow, and nothing. I hadn't looked out the window in a while, so I'll take you guys and show you the outside. So we put this on our door. It's not too fancy, but it's cute. Santa Claus with a tree. We had it last year, but I think we had it inside the house. Just something cute for the kids. All there is so far is just a lot of rain and gloomy weather, as you can see. Not a lot of anything yet, but we're supposed to get it. I hope. I wish it would snow like 1993. So I'll bring you guys back out and show you if it does start snowing. I'm making Paula Deen's old-fashioned goulash for supper. I'm going to link the recipe down below. It's really good. Tried and true. I don't use the house seasoning though. I just use seasoning, salt, garlic, a little pepper, salt, seasoning salt. It's great. We finally seeing some snow. Just a little bit, but check back in later. I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing officially. Officially snowing. Yay. So here's my bedroom. I have promised some of you guys that I would show you my new furniture. This is my king size bed. I was supposed to get a queen. They brought a king. So yeah, needless to say, it took up all the room to Theo's bed. And there's my art wall. Also my witchy wall, I call it. That box back there is witch's runes. And this stuff doesn't belong on the bed. It's just there randomly. So there's my new bed. It's not too comfy, if I'm being honest. There is my clothes and Theodore's clothes and socks. And then his bed beside mine. There's my door with a dress hanging on it. And then you just cross around. And we will unbox this box right here. I usually have my fan up on a computer rolly chair, but it's not in here right now. There's my bench where I like to film. And to be honest, sometimes it can be a catch-all too. There's my lamp. I have cute lights in it. I think this is from Five Below. Has the remote. You can change the colors. Let's try blue. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it. There we go. There's blue. Pink. Red. You can't even see it. Let's try that. I had it just on white, or you can do where it changes. Here's my little wall above my makeup area. There's me. I just have my Barbie collection hanging up there. Well, some of it. This is not all of it. She's my favorite. And here's my messy makeup area. Have to clean this off. Look how messy, guys. So what I'm gonna do is clean this off, but first we'll unbox the box that I have. So let's just open this box. This, I have a feeling, is going to be a lifesaver. I think I said a few videos back, if I'm not mistaken, I'm having trouble with the dry heat in this house. So when this company approached me to try this humidifier, I was completely on board. And I'm going to link it down below too. This is it. Ultrasonic humidifier. everlastingcomfort.net. I'm guessing it's Everlasting Comfort brand. It has an essential oil tray, auto shut-off, 6-liter water tank, and filterless, so that's good. Has a 2-year warranty, satisfaction guaranteed. Sorry you guys, I know I have these big Coke bottle glasses on, but I can't see without them. Without them, I'm nothing. Whisper Quiet Cool Mist soothes dry skin. I need that. Y'all know my skin is horrendous. And it reduces airborne viruses and bacteria. So, this is a small business. And And the older I get, the more I realize we should be, you know, supporting small business before big companies. Like I said, I'm going to have these guys linked down below. Here's your warranty information and your manual. That's handy. It's well packaged. This is the topping. Ooh, this is really nice. And that's what's in the bottom. And you get a little brush. This is really pretty. I mean, it will go with our color scheme Theo and I have in our bedroom, I guess. If we even have a scheme, but this is really slick looking. And it's lightweight, it's not big and bulky. Well, I guess it will be when the water is in it, but that's to be expected, right? Let me get this plastic off. A nice long cord. It's not short like a lot of them are. Look how sleek this is, you guys. It's really sleek looking. You have LED, off, on, minimum, maximum. So yeah, so this is your tank. This is where you put the water. Let's see. Your essential oil tray is right here, right in the side, and you just put your essential oil in, and then it goes back in. Yes, this is really nice. So I'm going to fill it up with water, put some essential oil in it, and I'm going to come back and show you guys how it does. So what you do is pull out your little tray. Here's the essential oil I'm using, the Guru Nanda True Lavender. Just going to put some in there. And I'm going to use some eucalyptus. And then you just slide it back in, like so. I already filled it with water, so it says to click it on. And we want to go to max, almost max. Actually, I put it halfway. Look at the steam, you guys. This is great. Let's see. It's supposed to have a night light in there. Let me turn the light off and we'll see. Look at that steam. So this is the little night light. You push the LED button, it goes on and off. Look at that. Theodore and I have had a cold, so this came at the right time. Plus the heat is very dry in here. Excited to see if we sleep better tonight. Cute little nightlight too. So yeah, I'm going to have this linked below. If you're interested, you can go get one. It's pretty reasonably priced, a little bit over $30, I think. That steam, that mist is legit. So that's it for today, y'all. I know I didn't vlog too much. Actually out of the loop with vlogging. So I did forget quite a few points today. But tomorrow I'm going to vlog again, and we'll see what tomorrow brings us. Hopefully something better than today. Something more exciting. I'm just tired today. I popped up at 5:45 this morning. I've been going since. I've been telling my family that something's wrong. I never have the energy and never pop up and just go all day. Usually I have to have a nap or something. So yeah, that's my day in a nutshell. I did cook the goulash and cornbread and muffins for dinner, and I caved afterwards and went and got Subway subs. I love the Italian BMT. I think that's what it's called. And it was good, but you know, I should have just stayed with eating at home all day. But whatever, it's in the past, right? Just have to do better tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm planning on cooking homemade KFC bowls. I did make them a couple of days ago and they're really good. So yeah, excited for that again. Tomorrow is already December 1st, you guys. It's going by quickly. This whole year has gone by quickly, even with all the problems of 2020 and the pandemic and everything. This went by quickly, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm going to get this edited and get it uploaded for you guys, and you're going to see me back here again tomorrow, I promise. I hope you guys are all doing good and staying safe, staying well, and being good. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. You can share my video, I don't mind. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I would appreciate if you did. A side note, that humidifier, I already feel a difference in this room. And I'm not just saying that for the sake of the review. It really does feel more moist in this room, and we can use that. So I noticed over a few minutes time, my throat started getting, just feels more moist, and my nose feels funny. So it's definitely weird with a little bit of moisture in the room. That's a good thing, right? We need the moisture. And it says on the side of the box it helps with dry skin. You guys, I think I already said that, but you guys know my skin is so dry. I have patches everywhere. It gets red. It's itchy. So I am anxious to see if this really does help my skin. So yeah, tomorrow hopefully will be a better vlogging day, and I won't forget you guys all day like I did today. So yeah, I love you all so much. I really do. You don't know what it means to me for you guys to stick around and watch my videos and give me support, and I like to support you guys. Love you all.